Hip hop culture, it's all about bringing the listener into your neighborhood. Like when I listen to hip hop, I want to know what's going on in New York, what's going on in Houston, what's going on in LA. So for anybody that's from Toronto, we got to be making music so that when people hear it from outside, they know something about where we live.
Yeah.
So we got to bring culture to the table, you know what I mean? That's why when I bring to the table, I bring culture rap to the table still.
40% of the rappers do that. Real talk. Yeah, real talk.
I mean, Cardinal got flack for doing it, but he's the only man, you know, he uses some slang at least.
Yeah,
Cass is hating on him, but yo, the man's gone worldwide with T-Dot. No two men live alike, yo. You gotta do your own style. Hip hop is about being unique. You know what I mean? The only reason people hate on Cardinal is because we live in a city of haters, honestly and truthfully, you know what I mean? Unfortunately, you know, I represent Toronto, but it's a city of haters, so like Chaos said, it's a crab bucket, but we're gonna keep it moving. You know, I've been in the culture for years, so everything that I bring is real and original. You know, I hooked up with my man T Major right here. We're coming out with an album called Original Heads. Original Heads talks about, you know, people that are original heads that been in the culture from when, or that at least if they haven't, they know the culture, they've studied the culture. It's all about being original head, you know about hip hop culture and more than just on a music level and just like, you know, from today or from 2008. I'm not so, you know, bent on getting support within this city right here, because I've been places. I've been to Nova Scotia, I've been to Edmonton, I've been to Barrie, I've been to Hamilton, and everywhere I go outside of Toronto, the love is there. So I want to shout out everybody across Canada that shows love to artists, you know what I mean? I mean, the more thing that people could do is actually, you know, purchase some things. Go on iTunes, purchase a track for 99 cents. It ain't gonna be hurt your bottom line like that. Show support like that, you know what I'm saying?
You should go to the Weed Man with $9.
You go
save that loony for
there it is, right there.
enough man do that for zigzags, so you don't know. Like,
yeah, man, that's all it is.
Do that shit for